Wash the tomatoes and use the corer to remove the tomato's eye. Assemble the meat slicer. Grab the blade guard. The open notch nearest the handle will be inserted into the extended peg. Align the remaining closed notch to the final peg. Behind the blade, flip the black knob to lock in the blade guard. Grab the black grip assembly. Insert the screw knob into the hole on the slicer's sliding arm. Tighten the screw knob to lock into place. Place 5 tomatoes onto the deli slicer with the hole facing down. Lower the slicer's arm. Set the adjustment knob to 3. Press the green on button. Push the slicer's arm forward to slice the tomatoes. To prevent waste, the first 2 slices are saved for scraps for future recipes. Continue slicing the tomatoes. Look out! Don't slice beyond the tomatoes or you will damage the grip assembly. Turn off the slicer. Turn the adjustment knob clockwise until it passes 0 and unlocks the arm. Place leftover tomatoes ends into the scrap container. Place the sliced tomatoes into a deep 1/3 plastic pan. Repeat for the remaining tomatoes. It usually takes 15 to 18 tomatoes to fill the container. Ensure to not fill beyond the fridge line, or some of the tomatoes won't stay refrigerated when placed on the prep tables. Place a date sticker and lid. Store away the sliced tomatoes. Place the scraps in the walk-in fridge for future use. Cleaning the slicer. Remove the grip assembly by unscrewing the knob. Turn the adjustment knob clockwise until it passes 0 and unlocks the arm. Remove the blade guard by flipping the knob behind the blade. Wash both parts at the 3-compartment sink. With a sanitized rag, start wiping down the slicer's arm. Ensure to clean the sliding hand. Then clean the main arm. Start with the black handle, then the front of the main arm, and then behind the arm. Next, wipe the grooved plate. With the blade still in 0, turn the blade on. As it's spinning, wipe the blade from the center to the outer edge. Do the same thing behind the blade. This process ensures proper cleaning of the blade. With the slicer's arm closed, turn the thickness knob to 24. The blade should be off when doing this next step. Pass a rag between the blade and outer guard ring. Ensure the rag is flat and doesn't fold on itself as it passes through. Then clean the main body. Start from the back and wipe toward the front. Finally, wash and resanitize your rag. Then repeat the entire wiping down process to ensure the slicer is clean. Wipe the thickness knob. Slide the slicer's arm to the back. Then lift up the rising lever until the slicer locks in the risen position. Wipe underneath the slicer. Finished!